Are you tired of spending a long time writing good product description for your e-commerce stores? Well, now you don't have to worry anymore. With Tailwind Ghostwriter AI, you can quickly write amazing and engaging descriptions for your products that will help you sell more. You can start writing product description with Tailwind Ghostwriter AI by selecting the required tool from the product listing section of Tailwind dashboard. Simply click on Shopify listing if you are selling products on Shopify. Next, you need to fill in some basic information like the name of your product, who you want to sell it to, means your target audience, and the keywords you want to focus on. Make sure you also mention what makes your product different, means the unique selling point or unique value. Once you have provided all the information, you just have to click a button that says Generate Shopify Product Listing. Next, the tool will give you a title, a description, and tags of your product based upon the information you provided. You can simply copy the description and everything and use it immediately on your online store. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, or you can DM me on at INUDC on Instagram. Bye bye.